Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin, and happy Memorial Day. And so because of Memorial Day, many have fallen and given us a free country so that we can do lots of things. And today is actually a fun day for us because we're going to be able to celebrate the unboxing of the YouTube play button. It's because of you guys and your support and the support of those who have fallen before us that we get the opportunity to be able to celebrate things like this. And so a lot of people do celebrate on Memorial Day, so we're hoping that you do get an opportunity to really cherish your families and the freedoms that you have because of Memorial Day. But our way of celebrating today, because this finally came in the mail, is we're going to be unboxing the YouTube play button. We got a cake, we got cupcakes, all that fun stuff. We do have more cupcakes than this, and we're going to be able to unbox that right here on this channel with the YouTube Hooked on Pickin team here. So let's go ahead and unbox this play button. Okay, because it's Memorial Day and we're unboxing the 100,000 subscriber YouTube play button, we offered you a 30% off the entire website of hookedonpickin.com. So check out hookedonpickin.com and you get an automatic 30% off today and today only. So run on over there, get all the great deals, find all the good stuff, and get your 30% off. But we need to set up for a celebration. So Lexi's going to come in and the rest of the team's going to come in and we're going to get the party started here, where we can celebrate with you guys. So hopefully you cheer with us when we finally get to see what does the YouTube play button look like. So Lexi's getting everything prepped here. She went and picked up this amazing cake, and it is from a local bakery called Berkman's Bakery. So if you're ever in this area, definitely check out Berkman's Bakery. It is a strawberry cake, I believe, which is the best one I think that they have. Don't light yourself on fire, Lexi.
I know, I'm trying not to.
So we do let Lexi play with fire at work. So, oh, did it die? There it goes.
Okay. It's still there.
We need to get the fire extinguisher lighters. That's what we should have done.
That's what we should have done, yeah.
So,
give me a second. It's taking a while.
That's all right. This is riveting YouTube.
Sure is.
Yeah.
Right here. Riveting YouTube entertainment. Right here. So, 100,000 subscribers, quite the milestone. We started the channel in 2016, and if many of you that are still watching were with us then, we would unbox in our backyard, our dining room table, or our carport once we finally started getting the pallets. So, shall we look at it, guys? All right, we're gonna zoom in and see what it looks like. Are you guys excited? Yeah! All right, awesome. They were not trying to talk over me is what was happening there. All right. Ooh, it's a fancy letter. All right. There it is.
Whoa.
Presented to Hooked on Pickin for passing 100,000 subscribers. Yay! We got pockets and everything.
Oh, God.
Oh, here's what
Nice.
the furthest. Shannon's with the furthest. All right. So it's a really cool mirrored YouTube play button. I can hang it on the wall. It says presented to Hooked on Pickin for passing 100,000 subscribers. YouTube. Let's read the letter. Shall we read the letter? Oh wait, let's blow out the candles.
You
Ready?
blow out the cake.
I'll blow out the cake.
Are we supposed to sing happy birthday or?
Happy birthday! Happy 100,000 subscribers! All right, Everybody pick a cupcake and we'll just blow it out. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Yay.
Yay! All right, what does the letter say? It says, do you remember your first subscriber, your 100th, or your 1,000th subscriber? Chances are you do. And we know that you'll definitely remember your 100,000th subscriber. Your fans may have found you while searching on YouTube, learned about you through a friend, or maybe showed up as a recommended video. No matter how they came to your channel, your audience stayed and their numbers increased because you and the community you've built. We're proud to honor your impressive milestone of reaching 100,000 subscribers with your Silver Creator Award. Congratulations. We know that you have many more stories to share with your community, and we know that your fans can't wait for you to amaze them even more with your commitment and creativity. So keep creating, keep building. We can't wait to see what you'll do next, and we're here to support you along the way. And who knows, when you reach your 1,000,000th subscriber, we may just write to you and ask, do you remember your 100,000th subscriber? Sincerely, Neil Moham, the YouTube CEO.
Yay.
Awesome. And then this was really funny to me. Congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We're honored to take part in recognizing your achievement and want you to experience to be exceptional. This was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. Thanks, Rick.
Thanks, Rick.
We
Thank you, Rick.
appreciate you, Rick. Yay for Rick. All right, so we're really, really excited. It could not have happened without you guys. Thank you so much. 100,000 subscribers. So it's a short, sweet video. Get 30% off the hookedonpickin.com website right now as of today. So enjoy that 30% off discount. And we're going to consume this cake. So we're going to go. Thanks so much. And of course, remember in the end, Jesus wins. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.